In this video, we'll learn about the language which HP UFT understands or QTP understands. That is nothing but VBScript. Let us see what exactly is VBScript. VBScript is nothing but Visual Basic Scripting language which is developed by Microsoft company. Okay, it's very lightweight language and it's easy to code part, right? Also, the benefit of this, it is not a case sensitive language like other programming language or other scripting language. So you can make mistakes while writing the script part. Okay, uppercase, lowercase, that's not a problem. VBScript will automatically handle that part, right? So why people use this language? As I said, it's very simple and easy to understand, easy to use. Okay, so let us see the difference between scripting language versus programming language. What is the difference? Let me show you first some examples of the VBScript, or you can say scripting languages. I have like shell script, Perl script, Python, Ruby and so on. There are so many scripting languages. Whereas if you want to understand the programming languages, there are some like C, C++, Java, VB, .NET and so on, many languages. Now, VBScript falls under this place, whereas if you see there's written as VB language, that's a programming language. So VBScript is extracted from Visual Basic Programming language. Okay, so it's a part of this Visual Basic Programming language. It is used here. Now, what is the benefit of using this scripting language? The benefit is even if you don't declare any variable, still you can use it. Okay, whereas in this programming language you have to declare a variable. Now, what I'm trying to say is, in difficult terms, if I say implicit, explicit, implicit means not declare, explicit means declared variables. So it supports both of them. Scripting language supports implicit and explicit declaration of variables. That means if you declare and if you don't declare, still it will work. So you see an example is given here. I have declared a variable that is dim a. I have assigned some value to that a equal to 20, that is 20 I have assigned to a, whereas b equal to 24. Where did b come from? I have not declared that variable b, but still I am using it. So this is possible only in the scripting language. If you see, that's message box a plus b. Again, I am doing the addition of two variables and displaying it. So this kind of code will work. In short, without declaring variables, you can still use it in scripting language. On the other hand, programming language only supports explicit declaration of variables. Implicit it doesn't allow. You have to declare a variable, otherwise you cannot use that, right? So that's the difference, major difference in this place, right? Now let's see the different data types it supports. VBScript supports only one data type, that is nothing but variant. Okay, so anything you want to declare as a variant type. Okay, but variant has multiple subtypes. Okay, there are subtypes which are given in that place. So variant data type can contain, what does it contain? Will it contain numbers, text, what? It contains everything. Whatever you can think about, it contains everything. It contains text, it can contain number, boolean values, you can see as decimals, date and time, objects, everything it will contain. Okay, so there is no limit for this variant. Whereas in other programming languages, if you see C, C++ and all, you might have that int, float, or you have something as string. So there are different data types. In scripting language, VBScript, we have only one data type, that is variant. It contains everything, text, boolean and everything it contains. But variant has multiple subtype data types. Okay, you see that variant subtypes. What are those subtypes? It can contain integer, boolean, string, date, time and also you can see as object. So it can keep on containing, there are subtypes also inside this variant also, right? Let us see the next one. We have different types of operators in VBScript. When I say the operators, you have the first one as arithmetic operators. You can do for addition, multiplication, subtraction, division and so on. So these are nothing but the arithmetic operators. Second, we have something known as comparison operators. Less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these are something comparison operators. We'll see in detail in the coming videos itself. Okay. The next one we have something as logical operators, and, or, not. These are three different operators which falls under this logical operators. And the last one we have known as concatenation operators. Like if you want to combine two text, two numbers, two integers, anything, you can use this concatenation operator, that is nothing but and symbol here, right? So these are the some operators which are supported by VB scripting, right? So I hope you are able to understand some introduction part about the VB scripting. Understand it's very, very simple and easy to use. In coming videos, you'll enjoy every VB scripting part. That's all for this video.